Namaste, welcome. Let us see the story. Have you heard about Invisible Man? मिस्टर इंडिया देखा था आप लोगों ने? मिस्टर इंडिया, in which the film Mr. India, Anil Kapoor, the protagonist, has played a role of an invisible man. You might have heard about the film, the very famous film Invisible Man, blockbuster. So from the story, Footprint Without Feet, आप इसी से समझ सकते हैं कि किस तरह की स्टोरी होगी वो. First of all, let us see the introduction. The introduction of the story. Take out your notebook and note down. Introduction of the story. Introduction. H.G. Wells, the narrator. H.G. Wells. H.G. Wells is a famous writer. Famous writer known for his science fiction. Actually, you see, it's a fiction. But here you see how beautifully Invisible Man is only a fiction. Either the film or the novel or the story. The film, the blockbuster film Mr. India, was based on this novel. The novel named after Invisible Man. So this is a piece of the story Invisible Man. तो H.G. Wells जो थे वो साइंस फिक्शन के बड़े नोन राइटर माने जाते हैं. नोन राइटर ऑफ द साइंस फिक्शन. Footprints without feet. Footprint without feet is also, कैसी स्टोरी है? Is also a science fiction. Is also an interesting science fiction. कैसा है ये? The story is a science fiction. Fiction is imaginary. काल्पनिक कहानी को fiction कहते हैं. Fiction is not a true story. It is a brainchild or you may call imaginative. So the present story, footprint without feet, ये जो स्टोरी है प्रेजेंट स्टोरी फूड विदाउट फीट इज ऑल्सो ए साइंस फिक्शन. ये काफी इंटरेस्टिंग साइंस फिक्शन है. प्लीज नोट डाउन. H.G. Wells is a famous writer known for his science fictions. अपने साइंस फिक्शंस के बारे में जाने जाते हैं. How he had named the book Invisible Man, Footprint Without Feet, is also an interesting story. Interesting science fiction. ये इंटरेस्टिंग साइंस फिक्शन है. नंबर 1. नंबर 2 में लिखे. Come on, number 2. नंबर 2. दूसरे नंबर पर आइए. दूसरा नंबर. The title of the story. The title of the story, Footprint Without Feet, catches your attention. It is quite attractive. जब हम टाइटल को देखते हैं तो we are bound to think that why, what is this? The present story. The present story centers around इसके चारों तरफ घूमती है. सेंटर्स अराउंड मिस्टर ग्रिफिन. मिस्टर ग्रिफिन के चारों तरफ कहानी घूमती है. Centers around a scientist. Centers around a scientist named Griffin. यही मेन कैरेक्टर है. Griffin. 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 Who has invented what? क्या उसने इन्वेंट किया है? A method. Who has invented a method? A method of whereby a man can become invisible. This is what his invention was. Here you see the present story. Please see the present story. The present story, Footprint Without Feet, centers around a scientist named Griffin, the main character. ये जो है मेन कैरेक्टर है ग्रिफिन. Griffin. Griffin. The main character who has invented a method of whereby this method से man may become invisible. एक आदमी इनविजिबल हो सकता है. ओके, प्लीज नोट डाउन. सेकंड पॉइंट, Now third point. Please note down the second point. The present story centers around a scientist named Griffin who has invented a method of whereby a man can become invisible. Now come to the third part. The third part. This is the second. Now come to the third part. Third point. Point number 3. He experiments on himself. He experiments on himself and shallow some drugs to make his body transparent. TRANS, transparent. Transparent like a sheet of glass. This is the third point. Please see the third point. He experiments the invention, the drug that he has invented. He experimented on himself and shallow some drugs. The drug that he invented, which can make people invisible, to make his body transparent like a sheet of glass. The sheet of glass that you could see, you cannot see. Through that you can see anything. So transparent. अपनी बॉडी को वो कैसा बनाना चाहता था? To make his body transparent like a sheet of glass. Okay. So here you see, this is what the introduction of the story. But Griffin was what? A scientist of a criminal bent of mind. Dear friend, as we know it very well, the science is a good servant, but it is a bad master. If you use science for your betterment, for your development and for your growth, then science is a good servant. Electricity is good, but misuse of the electricity may affect your life badly. So here, Griffin the scientist used his invention for a wrong purpose, for a bad purpose, for an evil purpose. You see, scientist should not behave like this, and a scientist should not do like this. Because you see, his invention was what? Any scientific invention should always aim at for the betterment of the human life. If human life is affected by any invention, then my dear fellow, it is not good for us. We should not misuse the science for the wrong purpose of life. As so, inventions are what? What is the purpose of invention? The purpose of any invention is what? For the safety and the security of the human being, for the better facility. But here, the protagonist, the hero, or the center character of the story, the Griffin has what? Griffin has misused. He has misused his scientific inventions for a wrong purpose. So, it should not be appreciated. So, the theme of the story is that scientific invention should always aim at for the safety, security and better facility, but not for the destruction. Here, Griffin is a man of what? Criminal bent of mind. So, this is what the footprint without feet is. Now come to the story. Come to the story. About the story. About the story. कहानी के बारे में आते हैं. सबसे पहले क्या बात है इसमें? The very first thing that the Griffin, the main character, of the story is a brilliant scientist. वो ब्रिलियंट साइंटिस्ट है. But you see, your brilliance, the brilliant scientist who invented a method of become invisible. Who invented the method of become invisible? Brilliant scientist who invented method of human body, method of become invisible. Here this is what the opening. The protagonist, the main character of the story, Griffin, the main character or the hero, or you may call the central character of the story, is a brilliant scientist. How he was a brilliant scientist? He was a brilliant scientist because he has invented. He was a brilliant scientist because he has invented method of becoming invisible. So, this is what Griffin was a lawless person. Though brilliant scientist, Griffin was a lawless person. His landlord disliked him and tried to eject him from the house. In revenge, Griffin set fire in the house. Here you see, as he was a scientist, but he was a lawless person. How he was a lawless person? The house in which he used to live, his landlord disliked him. His landlord disliked him. His landlord disliked him. And he took the revenge when he became invisible. The very first thing that came into his mind, to set the house on fire. Here you see the attitude. Of course, his scientific invention was good. But here you see the bent of the mind. The criminal bent of the mind that the Mr. Griffin was. He set the house of the landlord on fire. उसमें घर में जिसमें वो रहता है आग लगा देता है. And he had to remove his clothes and get away. So he became homeless, wanderer without clothes and money. But you see, the season that he picked to become invisible, it was winter season. Imagine the condition that he could become invisible without having any clothes on his body. And there was a winter, chill winter, इतनी कड़ाके की ठंड. Imagine the condition, that how shiver, how tough, how difficult it may be to become invisible during, but he picked the wrong season. Okay, so it was a winter time in the London, and there was a bitter cold, and Griffin was without clothes. He was without clothes. So, he, in order to save himself, he entered into the shopping mall. There he takes some clothes to get his cover. Now, the funny thing is that in the end of the story, he was caught by the police. But as he was invisible, he attacks on the police and escaped. So dear friend, let us start the story. Come to the story. This is the introduction. Now come to the story. Now come to the story. Here is the very first question. Before the beginning, there is a question for you. There is a question. How did the invisible man first become invisible? Why was he wandering in the street? So how did the invisible man, the question was that, read and find out. How did the invisible man first become जो आदमी इनविजिबल था वो कैसे विजिबल हुआ? It was due to his footprint. It was due to his footprint. A boy happens to see the footprint footprint. There was footprint on the mud without a feet. So that is why a footprint without a feet. The question, how did the invisible man first become invisible? So the invisible man first became invisible due to the footprint on it without the feet on a mud. He came to the notice. A boy noticed this footprint and he was noticed. So this is what? Now here you see the story. The two boys started in surprise at the fresh muddy imprints of the pair of the bare foot. Here you see the story. The two boys started. The two boys started in surprise. At fresh muddy imprint. Muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. So this is the answer. This is the answer. How did the invisible man first become invisible? Visible. The invisible man first became visible because the two boys started in the surprise at the fresh muddy imprints of bare foot. उसमें दो बेयर फुट की फुटप्रिंट्स को देखकर what was a barefooted man doing on the steps of a house in the middle London? And where was the man? In this way, the invisible man become visible. As they gaze, here you see. What happened? And where was the man? The question is that कि where was the man? वो आदमी था कहाँ? It is the big question. That there was a footprint, muddy footprint on the steps of the London. But where was the man? As they gazed, a remarkable sight met their eyes. A fresh foot mark appeared from nowhere. What happened? That a fresh foot mark appeared from nowhere. Further, footprints followed one after another, descending the steps and progressing down the street. The boys followed, fascinated, until the muddy impressions became fainter and fainter and fainter. So here you see that the how. Here you see The boys, the two boys in London was surprised the two boys in the London was surprised. The two boys in London was surprised. What they were surprised? Surprised to see the fresh muddy impression muddy impressions of a pair of bare feet please note down. The two boys in London were surprised to see the fresh muddy impression of bare feet they saw some more footprint down the street, but nobody could tell why or how this footprint had been appeared. How the food has been appeared, उस फूड का कैसे appeared हुआ था. So here you see that the two boys they were